Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. Tonight, we'll journey together into deep, restful sleep. This meditation is designed to help you release the day, quiet your mind, and gently drift into a peaceful slumber. As you settle into bed, I encourage you to wear comfortable headphones or earbuds. I'll guide you for a short while, and then my voice will gently fade away, leaving you with soothing sounds to carry you into sleep. If at any point you feel yourself drifting off, simply remove your headphones softly. Allow your mind to remain calm and relaxed as you transition into rest. Let go of any pressure to fall asleep. Sometimes, the harder we try, the more elusive sleep becomes. Our minds wander to tomorrow's tasks, unfinished to-do lists, and lingering worries. But not tonight. Tonight we'll take a different path. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the bed. Gently bring your awareness to your breath. Let it flow naturally, effortlessly. Feel the air moving in through your nose and out again. This is your time. There's nothing to do but be here, in this moment. Breathe in gently. Breathe out softly. Thoughts may come and go, and that's okay. Simply acknowledge them and let them float away like clouds passing in the sky. They are not needed now. With each breath, settle deeper into this present moment. Feel your body melting into stillness, every muscle softening, every thought dissolving. You are here, now. Allow yourself to marvel at this moment, everything that has brought you to this very place, this very time. It's a quiet beauty, a perfect stillness. Feel your breath, your chest rising and falling gently, your body resting in the comfort of your bed. Imagine observing yourself from above, seeing your peaceful form, resting calmly, noticing the unique details of your room, the small, familiar things that make this space your own. Now visualize a soft, warm glow surrounding you, a soothing light gently flowing over your body. Feel its warmth start at the top of your head, flowing down over your face, your shoulders, your arms, your torso, down through your legs, and all the way to the tips of your toes. With each inhale, this glow brightens slightly. With each exhale, you sink deeper into relaxation. Feel its warmth grounding you, calming you, holding you in safety and peace. Let's begin a gentle countdown together. With each number, you'll feel yourself drifting deeper, releasing any tension still lingering in your body. 10. Feel your muscles let go. 9. A soft, steady breath. 8. Sinking deeper into comfort. 7. The glow surrounding you grows warmer. 6. Any remaining stress melts away. 5. Each breath drawing you deeper into relaxation. 4. Twice as calm, twice as still. 3. Your mind quiets completely. 2. Weightless and free. 1. Drifting effortlessly into peace. Feel yourself open to rest, open to the present moment, open to the tranquility within you. Now we'll count down once more. Let each number bring more stillness, more clarity. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5, 4. 3. 2. 1. Calm, peace, stillness, drifting deeper and deeper, softly floating into sleep. Rest well. Let your breath carry you through the night. You are safe. You are at peace. Good night.